If you are not using artificial intelligence to make money in 2026, you are already behind. Right now, thousands of people around the world are using simple AI tools to build online income, start side hustles, and create passive income from home. The truth is, the internet has changed. Before, you needed special skills to make money online. Today, AI tools can do most of the work for you. You do not need to be a programmer. You do not need expensive equipment. You do not even need to show your face. With the right tools, anyone can start building digital income. In this video, I will show you 7 powerful AI tools that can help you make money automatically. These tools are beginner-friendly, easy to use, and some of them can even help you build passive income streams. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last tool is one of the best ways to make money online right now. Let's start with the first tool. The first tool is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tools available today, and many people are already using it to make money online. You can use ChatGPT to write articles, create scripts, generate ideas, and even build full digital products. For example, you can use ChatGPT to write an ebook, a guide, or a checklist. Once the content is ready, you can sell it online as a digital product. Many people sell ebooks on platforms like Amazon, Gumroad, or other online stores. You can also use ChatGPT to offer freelance services. Businesses need help with writing, marketing, and social media, and ChatGPT can help you do this faster. This means you can start making money online even if you have no experience. The second tool is Canva AI. Canva is no longer just a simple design tool. It now has powerful AI features that allow you to create professional designs in minutes. With Canva, you can create thumbnails, ebooks, planners, logos, social media posts, and many other digital products. People are making money by selling Canva templates online. For example, you can create resume templates, Instagram templates, business cards, or printable planners. Once the template is created, you can sell it again and again. This makes Canva a very good tool for passive income. You do the work once, and the product can keep selling. You can also use Canva to design thumbnails for YouTube creators. Many creators pay for good thumbnails, because thumbnails help videos get more views. This makes Canva one of the easiest tools for beginners who want to start an online business. The third tool is AI voice generators. AI voice tools can create realistic voiceovers without using your own voice. Tools like 11 Labs can generate natural-sounding speech that you can use for videos, ads, audiobooks, and social media content. Many faceless YouTube channels use AI voice instead of recording themselves. This means you can create content without showing your face and without speaking. You only need a script, and the AI will do the talking. This method is very popular for YouTube automation channels. These channels upload videos regularly and earn money from ads. You can also use AI voice for short videos, online courses, and marketing content. This makes AI voice one of the best tools for online income today. The fourth tool is AI video generators. AI video tools can turn text into full videos automatically. You can paste a script, and the software will create a video with images, subtitles, and transitions. Tools like Pictory and CapCut make it easy to create videos fast. This is useful for YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Facebook videos, and online marketing. Instead of spending hours editing, you can let the AI do most of the work. This allows you to create more content in less time. And when you create more content, you have more chances to get views. More views can lead to more subscribers. More subscribers can lead to more income. This is why many people use AI video tools to grow their channels quickly. The fifth tool is Notion AI. Notion is a productivity tool that can help you organize ideas, plans, and projects. With AI features, Notion becomes even more powerful. You can use it to create digital products and templates. For example, you can create planners, trackers, study tools, or business checklists. People buy these templates because they save time. Many creators sell Notion templates online and make passive income every month. Once the template is created, you can sell it again and again without extra work. This type of business is very good for beginners because it does not require inventory. You only need to create the product once. The sixth tool is AI image generators. AI image tools can create graphics, artwork, and designs in seconds. You can use these images to create t-shirt designs, posters, ebook covers, and thumbnails. Many people sell AI designs on print-on-demand websites. For example, you can create a design, upload it to an online store, and the platform prints the product when someone buys it. You do not need to keep stock. AI images are also useful for YouTube thumbnails and social media posts. Good thumbnails can increase clicks, and more clicks can increase views. This makes AI image tools very useful for online business. The seventh tool is YouTube automation. This is one of the best long-term methods for making money online. You can create YouTube videos without showing your face. Use AI to write the script, AI voice for narration, and stock videos for visuals. Edit everything in a simple editor, and upload videos regularly. When your channel grows, you can earn money from ads, affiliate links, and digital products. Many people are building passive income using this method. It does not happen overnight, but if you stay consistent, it can become a real income source. The most important thing is to choose one method and stay focused. Do not try everything at the same time. Pick one tool, learn how it works, and keep practicing. Over time, your skills will improve, and your income can grow. AI is changing the way people make money online. Those who learn how to use these tools early will have an advantage. If you want more videos about AI tools, passive income, and online business, make sure you subscribe to the channel. On this channel, we will share simple ways to make money online using modern tools and smart strategies. In the next video, I will show you step by step how beginners can start making money with AI. See you in the next video.